What's going on, guys? This is CJ Flood here, and you're tuning in for another episode of Side Hustle Startup. Today we're going to be talking about why I don't actually use Facebook groups to build my business. This is very different for a lot of people. A lot of people in the side hustle world love Facebook groups and they lean on them heavily to build their business. The whole methodology behind this is find a Facebook group in your niche, go in there, provide value, connect with people that then you can sell to. It's a pretty good way of doing things. The thing that I found though that absolutely changed the way I do stuff, and the reason I want to bring this up is because, well, one, I am a group owner. I own a group. I have a group called Side Hustle Systems. You can head over to sidehustlestartup.co to check that out and request access. But I don't actually allow anybody to do any spamming, PMing, linking sort of posts, particularly in the make money online world. This is so evident in big Facebook groups. Everything from the ClickFunnels Avengers group right through to the ManyChat group, through to lots and lots of other Facebook ad hacks, all these other types of groups where you can connect with people that are in the same sort of world. The trouble is when you do this is it's so presumed that it's going to happen that it stops people from actually selling. I was just on a Zoom call the other day with a guy from the ClickFunnels group. He and I connected through there, and I said, look, mate, I'm happy to jump on and help you out with your funnel and get you moving forward and make sure you can do what you need to do. But I'll just be honest, I'm not going to offer up any of my services or anything. I friggin' hate that shit. And it was such a refreshing breath for him, because he was like, thanks, man, I truly appreciate it. I appreciate the help, and I'm grateful, because it is so often that it happens. It's like, yeah, I'll help you, but you've got to come and join up for my free webinar, or you got to come and do this. And it's like, fuck, man, I just want some help, help another person out. And this is what groups are for, is helping people. Help people. Don't sell in them. Don't go in there with the intention to sell to people. My God, it is fucking infuriating. It happens to me. I'll jump in one of my Facebook groups and I'll be like, yo, can someone help me out with this? And they're like, boom, boom, boom. Yeah, here you go. Here's a solution. Oh, by the way, if you head over here, you can get more help. And it's like, well, hey, asshole, how about you just help me now? And then we can move forward from there. You've got to lead with the relationship first. This is, oh, guys, it truly blows me away how much this actually happens. Lead with the relationship. I'm in Facebook groups. I connect with people in Facebook groups. I am a group owner. But that place is for me to actually, not to sell people, but to actually learn and grow and develop my own marketing knowledge base, my own automation base, my own entrepreneurial muscle. It's me to go in there and build that. And that's exactly what I do. I go in there and I build that. I help people. I connect with people. And some of the best relationships I've had and, connected with people to do some really good stuff in my business have come out of that. But I was never in there with the intention of, hey, if I go in here for 2 weeks and I provide value for 2 weeks, then I can actually, start to connect with people and sell them on something. I always went in with, if I go in there and I provide really great value, I can build my audience. I can practice my tradecraft. I can get better at my own thing. That is exactly what it's about. Get it, because it's like a training ground. That's the beauty of it. It's dead set like a training ground to help you grow and develop as a person, as an entrepreneur, as a marketer. Particularly for us in the side hustle world, where we're talking affiliate marketing, multi-level marketing, we're talking all sorts of different things. It could be Amazon affiliates, it could be, you could be a solo ad vendor, it could be any number of different things, but these things are phenomenally powerful, but you've got to actually go in there with just leading with value first. Just value, and never the intent to sell. The only time you can sell to somebody that you have met inside of a Facebook group is when they ask to be sold to. That is it. That is it. No other time. They have got to initiate the sales conversation, because otherwise it comes off your own, it's for your own good. not for them, not to contribute, not to help. And if you come from this place of contribution, doors open up everywhere. Doors open up absolutely everywhere. The amount of value that you can get injected into your life just by leading with contribution is phenomenal. Now, that's not to say that I don't sell to people. That's not to say that I don't connect with people inside of Facebook groups. That's not to say that I don't sell inside of my own Facebook group. You know, I don't sell, but I go, hey, here's how you can get more help, or here's how you can get the thing that I'm talking about, or here's how you can make the most of what we're talking about. This is the bonus of it. So it's like the sales conversation has to be initiated by the person that you're actually talking with, not by you. Not by you. Don't be that guy or that gal that's in a Facebook group and it's like, yeah, I'll help you, and then offer a $297 bloody per hour coaching package afterwards. It's like, that shit just fucking annoys me so much. My God, it is absolutely infuriating. The whole purpose of Facebook groups is to connect and contribute. Connect and contribute. Connect and contribute. If you can do that, you will then build an audience. If you can build an audience, you can then make offers to them because they have given you permission to have the sales conversation. That is just the reality of it. That is just the reality of it. Now, particularly in someone else's Facebook group, if you want to sell inside your own Facebook group, go for it. You know, like I said, I sell inside of my own Facebook group for the fact that I tell people how they can get the products or services that I'm using. That's what it's there for. It's there for me to help people, and if they want to make the most of it, then they pay for it. That's the thing with it. They pay for the product or the service that I'm talking about. You know, it's just a reality. You've got to pay for stuff, but I'm not saying that you should give everything away for free. But I'm saying just don't go into a group with the sole intention of, hey, if I spend 2 weeks here replying to comments, adding some value, people will connect with me, and then I can sell them. Like that's just annoying. People hate it. I hate it. Deep down, you hate it. Don't be that guy. Don't be that person. You know, it's so fucking annoying. My God. And it really does harm your rep too. You know, like if you can just go in there and help people, genuinely help people, people want to buy stuff off you. If you're good at your trade craft, people want to buy stuff off you. That's just the way things go. And then, you know, your things like your ads and your content and your own assets, that's what you use for lead gen, not, you know, other people's Facebook groups. That's their Facebook group. Just stop doing it, all right? So this is the reason why I don't actually use Facebook groups. Like it just frustrates the hell out of me. All right, guys, please don't do it. Make sure that you lead with value. Make sure that you're contributing. And I can promise you, if you contribute enough, you know, and if you lead with that first, eventually it'll come back. Eventually it will come back, and always does. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in. I'll talk to you soon.